Fallon Marines camp set up over there if you guys want to go check it out.
Just right over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably a portion will be spread out all around the island.
Now you're ready. Here, I do like your pictures.
How y'all?
Y'all are more than welcome to get up in there and see whatever you want.
Okay, we got to run back inside real quick. Thank you. Get you the airplane in the background. Looks really good. Hi, how are you?
Morning. My buddy Judd.
Hey, how you doing?
That's Gabe.
Nice to meet you.
One at a time.
I'm sure you're well familiar with it. Because one of the most solid things ever put foot on, other than these turrets, was an Abrams.
Okay.
But you can tell in here too, like, that's armor, that's not armor.
Yeah.
Affectionately known as the Battle Bridge. This is where the ship was normally steered. So you got your navigation route forward of us, where those guys are talking. Mm-hmm. And all the commands for direction, course, speed, heading in there, either speak to or they radioed it in right here. And he would just, you'd steer with these repeater compasses. Yep. 1,240 volts.
This is the captain's chair. Where's coffee cup put in? Like this is the captain of the Living History crew. So if you want to take a seat in the chair, we can get some good shots.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Ready for the air attack.
Gotcha.
At 1 o'clock. So, but I'm coming back up here to pick this cup up because it's got a. I assume on the bottom down there is a marking for it's an artifact. Mm-hmm. So I'm really scared.
I'll look through. It's basically like being in CIC, except in Europe here.
Yeah.
Did you get an appreciation? And that's the actual cold weather gear they would have used on the ship. But this ship spent some time in the Arctic.
It just depends on the type of wear.
Also penetrate up to 30 feet of reinforced concrete.
There is like open space there is in the ship.
Yeah.
The whole place.
So you see these canisters along the edge it would have contained 3 90-pound bags of powder. Yeah, so there's magazines all around us. And remember I was telling you that access trunk up there, you could get down, that's how you got down to the magazines.
Oh man, right. It's probably a good thing it wasn't bad.
Probably.
That's where they made me stand.
Your primary one's up top. You come down here and steer if something bad happened. Or well, there would have been a crew down here putting back together. But